On the left, you'll see a leaf with too many anchor points with some bumps here and there. On the right, the same leaf with fewer points and a much cleaner curve. Small path issues can make a shape look slightly off. More points usually mean more bumps. Fewer points give you a smoother, more intentional curve. The anchor point tool can be found with the pen tool or by the keyboard shortcut Shift-C on both Mac and PC. This tool is perfect when one anchor point is causing a problem. You can turn a smooth curve into a sharp edge and back into a smooth curve. Adjusting the handles changes how the entire curve flows. The Smooth tool works on the whole line, but it only works when a path is selected first. Select the vector, then switch to the Smooth tool. It is under the Pencil tool. Tap N for the Pencil tool, then click and hold to reveal the Smooth tool. The Smooth tool quickly smooths and softens rough edges, lines, bumps, and removes extra anchor points. The easiest way to use this tool is to glide over the points. If you want to see what you're doing, simply pause off the path and the anchor points will disappear. A pop-up slider may appear. That's the Smooth tool options slider. I normally ignore it. If you want stronger smoothing, slide it to the right. If you want lighter smoothing, slide it to the left. There you have it. The anchor point tool fixes one point, and the Smooth tool fixes the whole line. They solve different issues, and using both together gives you the cleanest, most professional result. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.